The Motley Fool's Stock Advisory newsletter got my attention recently. It got my attention because I read that their recommendations outperformed the S&P 500's averages 4-to-1 over the past 19 years. That's right, 4-to-1. Now, that definitely got my attention, but it also drew a bit of skepticism because my tolerance for risk, it certainly isn't what it was before the 2008 market collapse, when workers between the ages of 30 and 50 had a median return on their retirement accounts of minus 30%. But I'm certainly not one to cut off my nose to spite my face, so what I did is I sought out some objective opinions on the service. I'll tell you what I've learned about the Motley Fool Stock Advisor, the subscription stock picking and investment letter that seems to be getting a lot of attention lately, and then you can decide if the service is right for you. Welcome back to Over 50 TV, where we provide essential work and money tips for people over 50. My name is Lou Reyes. Well, before I go on, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to our channel, and I'll also ask you to smash that little bell. If you do that, every single time we upload a new video, you'll be notified. Whether you have a sizable investment account ready to support you during your retirement, or maybe you just started to plan for long-term savings, it's tough to know if you're making the right decisions about your investments. That's why we decided to take a look at the Motley Fool Stock Advisor. With its reported high returns, I thought I'd find out what people on the street are saying about the newsletter. Top Trade Reviews, a website that reviews day trading and financial services, says Motley Fool Stock Advisor program is still as effective as ever, and it remains one of the best priced programs on the market. Investopedia, they say the Motley Fool offers a premium option that provides subscribers with investing recommendations, stock research, and analysis. TraderHQ.com says Stock Advisor is the most popular stock picking service with over 700,000 subscribers. It's also time-tested at 19 years of age. So the Motley Fool Stock Advisor reviews, they seem to be pretty positive, although I'm sure if I dug deep enough I could find some reviews that aren't so good. But I'm satisfied with the sources that we found. So after looking at those reviews, and quite frankly, I looked at a lot of others, I asked my editor to give me some details on the service, and here's what she gave me. She said there's quite a bit of free advice on the Motley Fool site if I want to get some further guidance. She also suggested that I check out the article, The Top 21 Stocks to Buy in 2021 in the One Ultimate Stock. She said do this to get a feel for whether a newsletter subscription from the Motley Fool would be a good fit. I'm going to go ahead and put a link to this article in the description box. She also said viewers who are new to purchasing individual stocks could learn a bit about the process by reading Investing in Stocks for Beginners by Matthew Frankel. He's a CFP. She said do this before diving in. I'm going to go ahead and put a note in the description box for you if you want to check it out. Now, let's get back to what we found out about the Motley Fool Stock Advisor, and also take a look at whether or not it could be a good fit for retirees. What we're told is the Stock Advisor's recommendations consistently beat market averages. Its governing philosophy is that your best chance to succeed involves purchasing a minimum of 25 stocks and holding them for at least 5 years. So it's pretty obvious this is not a subscription for day traders. Stock Advisor stock picks focus on growth stocks. The subscription, it offers best value for investors who already have at least $25,000 invested in the stock market and who are willing to make some strategic moves as they buy additional stocks. Stock Advisor outperformed the S&P 500's averages 4-to-1 over the past 19 years. We're told their investment experts search for overlooked companies poised for growth and evaluate the business's overall stability to come up with their newest stock picks. In 2018, the Motley Fool Stock Advisor newsletter recommended that readers buy Stitch Fix, Booking Holdings, Shopify, Arista Networks, and Apple, all of which are massively successful today. Investors who took the Motley Fool's advice bought Shopify for $134.45 per share late in 2018. They could sell it today for $1,247 per share. What's included with the Motley Fool Stock Advisor newsletter? If you decide to subscribe to Stock Advisor, you'll get 2 growth stock recommendations each month. You'll get sell notices, regular email updates, and you'll get Best Buys Now, which is the best opportunities among Stock Advisor recommendations. You get all of that for $199 per year. New subscribers can get access to the Stock Advisor newsletter for $99 during their first year. The subscription, it auto-renews at $199 on the subscription's 1-year anniversary. You'll also get unlimited access to the complete library of stock recommendations. If you subscribe, but then you decide the service isn't for you, simply contact the Motley Fool's customer service team within the first 30 days for a refund. Well, there you have it. This is what we know about the Motley Fool Stock Advisor newsletter. Now, it does seem like a good source for investment advice, but don't just take our word for it. Check it out yourself. That's all I have for you today, folks. I do want to thank you for watching this episode of Over 50 TV, where we provide essential work and money news for people over 50. Now, before we go, I do want to ask you to subscribe to our channel by hitting that little red button. It's underneath your screen. Now, there's also a little bell. If you smash that little bell, every single time we upload a new video, you'll be notified in your inbox. Well, this is Lou Reyes, and as I always say, have a great day, everybody.